And Houston Station on 2 for iPad.
With you on 2.
Okay, when I try and get to the ops server straight up, it times out. But if I try to go to any other of the ops server connections, the jsl.nasa.gov sites, it says URL is blocked by a content filter. I think that might be another useful piece of information.
Copy, checking. All right, Steve, copy that info. We're still looking into it, but thanks for that additional info.
All right, hope it helps.
Station Houston on 2 for Frank and card readers at your convenience.
Hello, with you on 2.
Hey, Frank, just following up with the continuing card reader issue. So we want to provide some clarification, and if this does not help, we could look at setting up a conference. Do you have about 5 minutes?
Yep, I do. Do you want to switch over to 304 just to clear up the comms a little bit?
Yeah, we'll see you over on 3.
Okay, sounds good.
Sultan, with you on 2. Go ahead. And Sultan, if you're still with us on 2, you got a moment to talk about ARED? All right, we'd appreciate if you could share this with the rest of the crew, but we're seeing worsening signatures on the ARED software. So for now, you're no-go for software use, but you can still exercise on ARED. So what we'd like for you to do is turn off the Surface Pro tablet and the instrumentation box. So for today, you'll need to email your ACER with your info. Tomorrow, we'll send you a spreadsheet to help